If you'd like to see how I customize this lovely black and gold birthday wine glass, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! Today in this video, I am going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments to this wine glass that I did purchase from Dollar Tree. It's a nice size glass. I like when they have this big, it's just a certain shaped glass that they have sometimes. I really like it's huge. But today I'm going to be using black and gold. This is going to be a birthday gift for my cousin's friend. And she said her best friend's favorite colors are gold and black and gold. So I found my Sharpie. So I'm going to be kind of just doing, in my mind, I thought it'd be cute to just do like 2 rows of black here. And then the rest gold, maybe a black here. Just kind of throw the black in there a little bit. And I'm going to be using liquid fusion glue. I'll be using a wax pickup tool. And I'll be using some alcohol to wipe off the area where I will be applying the rhinestones. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Always make sure that you wipe the area with a little bit of alcohol and allow it to dry before you add the rhinestones. And of course, this is optional. You do not have to do this. I just think it gives it a really nice, fuller look. And if there's any gaps or spacings because you're using all one size, it just kind of fills it in really good. So you don't have to do this. So it definitely doesn't have to look perfect. Just trust the process, you guys. All right, so this is what I came up with. It's kind of like scribbly. You don't need it to be perfect. You just kind of want to outline a little bit. Like I said, this is optional, but if you decide to do this, you just kind of want to outline it a little bit. I haven't sealed it. It's supposed to be permanent marker, but I just haven't sealed it. I could probably seal it with some clear nail polish or something like that, but I just haven't. I don't think I need to. Maybe I will in the future. So this is pretty much dry. Just kind of rub your finger on there. Nothing's coming off. I'm going to start with the black. I kind of want to have 2 rows of it. I don't know if I went deep enough to make this fit 2 rows, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Start off by adding a little bit of glue, and then you'll just go one by one adding your rhinestones. Okay, so I was able to get 2 rows onto the black that I added. And you guys, let me just say, I didn't expect for these black rhinestones to have a shine. Now I'm going to start adding the gold. Now the gold is a 3mm or possibly a 4mm, but I really believe it's a 3mm. And I'm just going to add a little bit of the 3mm in there. Sometimes I do like the way it looks with multiple sizes. And I think this is looking pretty good so far already. Now, what I do like about these wine glasses is that there's so many different ways you can customize them. Of course, you can paint the glass any color you like, and then of course add any color rhinestone that you like. Now, this is going to be a birthday gift, like I said, but if you're going to a bridal shower, this will be a great gift. Or if you're a bride, this will be a great gift to give to your bridesmaids. A great Christmas gift, a great gift for anything really, a housewarming. There's just so many reasons why you can make one of these and someone would gladly accept it, even if you're not able to add a name onto the glass. Okay, so this is where I am so far, and I just have a little bit more to go here. So I'm just going to continue on adding the rhinestones and stop about somewhere here, and then I'll add some vinyl. glass has been cleaned thoroughly and wiped down with some alcohol. I used my CAMEO silhouette CAMEO cutter to cut out the name that's going to be going on this glass. The person is turning 36, so I cut out a 36. And then also the name is Ray Cheese. And I originally wanted to do black because I have, you know, quite a bit of gold here. This is literally the little piece of black that I could find. So I'm gonna go with the black name, or I could do gold because this gold is really pretty. But I'm gonna do a gold 36 and I'm going to do the black name on Ray Cheese with the black vinyl. So that's what I'm going to do, but this is really pretty. And you can just get multiple different colors of sheets of vinyl off Amazon. I'll try to have a link to where you can get something like that. Like probably 22 sheets for about maybe 25 bucks. Then you'll need some, hope this fits on here. You'll need some transfer tape. So I have like a big roll of transfer tape. Probably cost you about 20 bucks. Well, I have a huge roll. Maybe it's about 12, but you know the way prices have been going up, a lot of stuff I look back at, just like over a couple months time, the price goes up a couple dollars on a lot of different things. So the prices are changing, but I know that I've paid about $22 for a nice amount of sheets. I just go ahead and line this up just like that. Then I take my little scraper. Okay, so I take my little card here and I scrape. Make sure that's on the transfer tape so I can put that onto the glass. Okay, so you cut you a piece out the same size. Line that up really good there. Okay, and you just give it a nice little, put some pressure on there. Scrape that on there. And then sometimes I do it, put a little pressure on the back of it too. So you're gonna go ahead and just pull that off. See how that comes off like that. If it doesn't come off for you right away, just add a little more pressure, okay? Now, sometimes this can get a little tricky. Don't ever get too close and make a mistake and bump it on there. It's gonna be on there, then you gotta pull it off. And then sometimes cutting slits in it, for some reason I found this to work. If you're having accidents with this and you just can't get it to lay right, cut as many slits as possible so it's easier to like maneuver it. I feel like that works. It's worked for me, but that's just what I do sometimes. I just cut as many different slits from different angles so I can maneuver it better. Now, I've heard people using water to put in the glass to kind of show, but I feel like if I just keep staring at it, I can eyeball it enough to where I can just line it up really good. Okay, I feel like that's it right there. That's what I feel like. And I just think this is so pretty. Then you just go ahead and you scrape that on. Give it a nice firm scraping. Again, make sure you alcohol. But for those of you who have fast forwarded to this point, I use a silhouette CAMEO cutter. Okay, you can get some signed vinyl off Amazon. And then also make sure you're alcoholing your glass. Make sure your hands aren't very greasy when you're doing this process. Make sure you use some type of alcohol or something to clean your glass with first, because it won't stick right. And those of you who want to know if this glass is washable, yes, it is washable, but I wouldn't just let it sit in a hot soapy bin of water. I just wash it, swish it around. I mean, because you're not drinking off this part. I feel like if you just swish it a little bit, make sure you get your lipstick stains off, quick little wash, you know, just sanitize it good enough to where you can drink from it and it's, you know, not an issue. So when she's holding it up and drinking it, you'll either see the 36 or, or you'll either see her name, you know? pull that off just like that. Go ahead and line that up the best way you can. You can cut slits in it again, like I said. It just gives you more bending room to really bend it if you need to. Okay. All right. Okay, so I've laid it on both sides, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. So you just gently pull it off. Well, I have all these cuts I made on here, so bear with me. Okay, so here is the number. Is the name and the number. Okay, you guys, I've already started, but as I kept looking, it's crooked and I just couldn't. And this is my last little bit of black. I ordered some more on Amazon, but I don't know if it'll be here in time enough, so I'm gonna take this off. I'll either see how long or see if I can find another little piece of black, but I'll just end up taking this off and just going with the gold. This gold is super cute, so I think it'll work out either way. So I just want to let you know, if you mess up, you're just gonna have to take it back off and then just clean the glass off really good. So that's what I'm gonna do here. This is annoying, but you can't half step. If something isn't right, it just isn't right, you know? I debated back and forth about this. It was so hard to tell, but you see how the dollar sign is straight up and down and the cursive is slanted? It confused me. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this birthday wine glass. And I think it looks absolutely glamorous. I always say this is my favorite set of rhinestones to use. It's the gold. It's so sparkly, it's so beautiful, and the light just really hits them very well. Again, this is my very first time using these black rhinestones. I had no idea that they had such a sparkly shine. I just assumed that because they were so dark that it would just be like a matte look. And I really like how the gold does look on this glass. I thought the black looked better, but now that the gold is on here, I like it. I really do. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video or found it helpful and maybe inspired to make one for yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook and subscribe if you'd like to. And if you are going to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I post a new video. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, CRTacticalDefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. Feel free to check out my playlist that I have on my channel. There's other shot glasses and wine bottles that I've embellished that you may find interesting. Also, follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe__ between each word. And thanks again for watching this video, you guys. Bye-bye.